Okay, recording.
Hello everyone, this is Joe. Here I am in Ohio, and let me tell you people, it is snowy. Now, 5 inches fell last night, and I just snowed away 5 inches yesterday. Can you see this?
Yeah.
What are you filming the car of me?
Well, you were both, honey. You were brushing the cars, didn't you?
Now, I'd like to say hi to all my church family back in Richmond. Roger, Sarah, Georgia, Bruce, Steve, Shelley, Chris, Cheryl, Wes, and Betsy, and Jim, Mildred, Diane, all of you. If I forget anyone, please forgive me.
Ro and Jenny.
Ro, Jenny, Janet, my class back there. I'd like to say thank you all for helping me to prepare and move out. I was in a big rush. I had to get my assignments done. We got lost on the way to Ohio. That's a story
Courtesy
in
of me.
itself. We ended up making a 7-hour trip, 2 days long. I had to stop off, spend the night in a hotel, do my homework there. I'm glad Brenda thinks it's funny, because I sure don't. I don't enjoy driving a 20,000-pound U-Haul through every mountain in West Virginia. It's not really funny when my wife can't not follow the GPS and I'm following her. Look at this snow. Brenda, come over here.
Yeah.
Oh, also I'd like to say to my brothers Bob, Mike, my son Donnie, my sister June, and her husband Ed in Colorado. I'm going to send this to y'all too. Over here, baby. Over here. Come over here.
Oh, sorry. And your parents?
June, Ed, they'll show it to Mom and Dad. But if you look back there, kind of zoom back there, Brenda.
Yeah.
You will see the garage. From here to there, and turn around and show them. From the beginning of that driveway, from that street all the way back there, I shoveled 3 hours yesterday. And when I got up here to the front, the mailman came by. He said, "What are you doing that for? You're getting 5 more inches tonight." And boy, was he right. Now I have to do it all over again. And it's worse than yesterday. Not looking forward to this. Why did I leave sunny South Richmond, Virginia? Tomorrow, Brenda and I will go to a new church, so everyone wish us luck in finding the right home church. For us, we're going to be looking for a Southern Baptist church. Once again, goodbye, everybody. We love you. We miss you. And have a Happy New Year. Bye. Over now.
Bye.